If you work in healthcare or dream of working in this field, I have a special invitation for you. My name is Arnold Soares, and I'm the CEO of the American Anatomy Institute, an institute specializing in applied anatomy with hands-on training on fresh cadavers. Today, the American Anatomy Institute is a global reference in training with non-frozen specimens. And this invitation will transform your life and the lives of many people around you. In fact, many professionals who graduate still have a lot of doubts and don't feel prepared to perform the training and daily practices in their clinics. That's why the American Anatomy Institute was created, an institute of applied anatomy with hands-on techniques using fresh cadavers, which is the most ethical and effective way to teach and to learn. Today, we're opening up this opportunity for you who aspire to work or already work in the healthcare field. Become an ambassador for the American Anatomy Institute. We are looking for people with purpose, who understand the value of hands-on education in healthcare, and who want to represent the American Anatomy Institute in their community, on their social networks, or even in their workplace. And for you, as an ambassador, there are many advantages and benefits. You'll receive an international certification, discounts on our seminars and programs, and classes with world-renowned professionals in the healthcare field. And of course, there's also a major financial benefit, commission-based compensation for each student you refer. And most importantly, you'll be part of this major movement that's transforming global education. We're looking for students, academics, and healthcare professionals, such as those in medicine, dentistry, biomedicine, and also nursing. Everyone can be part of this major project, this great revolution in the healthcare field. For those of you living here in the United States and who are fluent in English, this is a great opportunity. Spots are limited, and for those who believe they can be a transformative agent in people's lives, the time is now. So click the link, fill out the form, and become an ambassador for the American Anatomy Institute. Let's work together to transform the lives of healthcare professionals around the world. The future is now. Help us change the lives of healthcare professionals. American Anatomy Institute. Education with purpose. Excellence in practice. Transformation with impact. Come to the magical world of anatomy. Come to the American Anatomy Institute.